Doodle Rides, and I need to ask you guys all a question about my bike. But first, let's get her out the shed. So when I roll it, it sounds like this, which I think is pretty normal. But when I lift up the back to rev it, you can hear kind of a little sound, which you saw in my last video, but if you didn't see that, I'll show you right now. Okay, now that you've heard that, let me show you how it sounds while actually riding on it, because I don't think it makes the sound. If you guys have any idea what it is that's making that sound, please let me know. Doodle Rides out.